In summary, digital learning resources vary in formats and forms, device support, structures, and appearance. In online distance teaching, a learning management system is a basic requirement. We should have an interactive virtual classroom. We should plan, design, build, deliver, review, and test our digital learning resources to ensure student engagement. That ends my presentation, and I hope you learned something new. And if you have some tips and tricks, don't forget to share that in our open forum section. These are the references that you can read in full. All the materials are taken from these references. I invite you to read also the supplemental readings. These are articles that we publish in relation to organizing resources for online distance learning, specifically on the portable learning management system, on how we customize it, the quality level of the USB-based learning management system, and some of the testimonies and case studies that we conducted in relation to the portable learning management system. For our activity during the live session, we hope that you can attend, and I will be demonstrating to you the portable learning management system. That's all, and thank you for watching.